What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how this Canva can help you to create the presentation files very fast and instantly. So the first step that you need to do, you can open this canva.com and don't forget to do the login first with your email, guys. And after that, the cool tools that has been provided with this Canva is the Canva AI. So don't forget to activate some things or the settings over here. For example, the design, I'm gonna make it to be presentation, and the audience, you can also select it, whether that for the casual, professional, or for the educational purposes. For example, I'm gonna select this one. And the style, you can also choose. There are the minimalist, playful, organic, and the digital. Which one, guys, do you prefer? For example, I'm gonna make it to be organic. And the length over here, you can choose. There are the short and sharp. It will have two, it will have 1 until 5 pages, or maybe it will say it as the slides, guys. And you can also choose it, let's say the balance, comprehensive, or decide for me. We'll choose the, because this AI will give you the best length or how much slide that will be presented. For example, this one. And for example, you can start to put your idea into this section. The more you give the detail, the more cool and also specific the presentation that you will get, guys. For example, this is the detail that I give. For example, I want that this presentation file has the details like the history of the FIFA World Cup itself, and also the pioneer of the FIFA World Cup, the first champion, the first best player, and also the dynamic from the beginning until I'm gonna make it until 2022, guys, because now we are having the World Cup in 2026, and you can let us know who's the best team player that you supporting. And for example, after you put the prompt into this section, you can actually also add the details like the picture or apply the brand if you want to, and import something over here, or give the resources like the website. And after that, after all of this being set up, you can continue to click this generate, click submit, and kindly wait for the result, and let this Canva AI to extract every information that you will have in this presentation files. And as you can see, this is the process, like the history and also the FIFA World Cup. What is this? And also meet the pioneer, the first champion, the first golden ball winner, the Paolo Rossi, and also the dynamic of FIFA World Cup from the beginning until in 2022, and also the legacy of the FIFA World Cup. Basically, before this Canva AI give you the final presentation, this kind of the confirmation that you agree about this prototype. But if you would like to do the revision or add something, you can do the editing over here, the edit page. And you can even do the deletion if you feel that there is something that I don't want to add into this presentation. And you can add the page over here if you want to. And after all this being set up, so you can continue to click generate design and kindly wait for the final result. As you can see that this Canva AI even gathering the information from this website, more than 6 websites, so at least the information can be relevant too. And after waiting for a while, so this is gonna be the result. You can open it, and there are 7 slides like this. Ooh, the design over here is quite cool. The pioneer, the first champion, the first golden ball. Oh, this will be, or this need to be revised. And also this dynamic FIFA. I think there's still the a little bit error like the picture that needs to be generated over here but not finished yet. But it's okay, you can still do the editing for this presentation files. You can use the Canva editor. And after that, you can do your editing and add something into your presentation files. So please don't miss this Canva AI to create you the cool presentation files. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.